Coming up very quick. So we've been following this case for years now, honestly, but the first trial here in Arizona is only a month and a half away. So she's facing charges in the murder of her fourth husband, and Vallow Daybell is representing herself in this trial. In her role as her own lawyer, got off to a rocky start this morning.
What does anything in the extradition have to do with the underlying charges? Can you tell me that?
Yeah, it's to find out why all this started when I can't find any evidence that there is. So,
have you read the grand jury transcripts?
Vallow Daybell in front of a judge today, learning firsthand the challenges of representing herself in court.
there's a lot of things that are mystery questions to the defense that we are entitled to according to the law.
All right, well, everything you've just told me, none of that would be relevant in the trial.
Vallow Daybell will serve as her own attorney, but her jailhouse orange and shackled feet are reminders she's also the defendant.
Are there interviews going on with your investigator or your advisory council team?
We're working on getting those set up right now.
Okay.
Vallow Daybell has already been convicted in the murders of her two children, JJ and Tylee, and is set to serve the rest of her life behind bars in Idaho. But she's also facing charges here in Arizona in two separate trials.
I'm assuming the 2021 case would be the case that the state intends to try first?
Correct.
The first trial is for the murder of her fourth husband, Charles Vallow, who was found shot and killed in this Chandler home. Today, the state confirmed his family will be in the courtroom proceedings, so prosecutors requested a larger courtroom to protect their privacy.
There will likely be the next of kin present. This courtroom obviously does not have a victim room or a witness room. With the media, that obviously makes it more difficult for the state to keep those individuals away from each other, from overhearing each other in this type of case.
Vallow Daybell told the judge she's on track for a March 31st start date for the murder case. The start date of the second trial, the attempted murder of a relative, Brandon Boudreaux, is still up in the air.
It's hard to set the second one without knowing how long the first one's going to take and then the readiness of everyone as far as the second one after the first one.
And over the next month or so, Vallow Daybell and her court-appointed investigator will have the opportunity to interview witnesses from jail. From there, they will have a final trial management conference on March 18th. So that will be 2 weeks before the trial is set to begin. So of course, we'll be sure to keep you updated here on air and online in our AZ Family News app.
This is one we have been watching for a while, so we will
Very
continue
big.
to do so. Michaela, thank
Thanks,
you.
Jamie.